Do you want to know how you can log into your Matador AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Matador AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for Matador AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, and then it will take you to the official page of Matador.ai, or it can take you to the login portal, which is the official login portal of Matador AI. What you can do is log in using your phone or your email address. So, if you are comfortable using your phone number, go ahead and write down your phone number here, or else write down your email address. After you write down your phone or email address, go ahead and write down your password associated with your account in Matador.ai. After that, click Login, and then you can successfully sign in to your Matador.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon over here, and if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. You can also log in using your magic link, so go ahead and click Send Magic Link, write down your email address here, your country code, select your country, write down your number, and then click Send Magic Link, and then a link will be sent to your phone in which you can see a verification code, or you might see the link. After you click the link, you can successfully log into your Matador.ai account as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.